Hello and Namaskar. Today, I, Sandeep Mandot, under the banner of SM Solutions for You, am going to explain about behavior based safety management programs. But before I proceed, I would just like to make a comparison of two specific behaviors, something which is right or the safe behaviors, and something which is wrong, that is at risk behaviors. Safe behavior is behavior of an employee or a person in the expected line of the safety policies and the programs of the organization. Now, the examples could be compliance to the required personal protective equipments, compliance to the work permit systems, following the expected behaviors as outlined in the SOPs. On the contrary, at-risk behavior is something where a person behaves in an unsafe manner, contradictory to what has been mentioned in the safety policies and the programs. Not wearing of PPEs, not following the work permit systems, not complying to the controls as expected from the risk and the hazard analysis programs. These are all at-risk behaviors. So in order to strengthen the behavior-based safety management programs, it is very important to control the at-risk behaviors. Just let me take you through a story of Raju, who has been working here since last 5 years into a manufacturing organization. But somewhere, he never met with any accidents. But there was one particular instance wherein he forgot to lock out the machine. And that machine inadvertently got started. And at the same time, he faced the injury. This was an eye-opener for the organization. There came the behavior-based safety management program in that organization. Now, what is BBS? This program aims to encourage and reinforce the safe behavior, identifies at-risk behaviors, and understands the antecedents of that at-risk behaviors and try to reinforce the safe behaviors. Overall, behavior-based safety management program is to create a positive culture of safety within an organization, wherein the employees are empowered not only for taking their responsibility for their own safety, but also for the safety of their colleagues. Now, what are the steps that are required to be followed in behavior-based safety management program? The steps could be define and communicate the safety expectations, identify the at-risk behaviors, analyze the data, develop a positive reinforcement culture, train employees, and monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of the program. But to implement all these steps effectively, there has to be the structure in place. Now, what could be the structure? The structure could be the steering committee is must to have, which monitors the entire implementation of the program, which this committee involves the leadership, and then comes the safety committee, and then safety training programs are to be established. Then you have to create the behavior-based safety observers, and these safety observers have got to identify the at-risk behaviors. Once the at-risk behaviors are identified through conduct of the safety observations, a positive reinforcement programs has to be in place in terms of truly understanding what are the antecedents of a behavior, a particular behavior of an employee, after understanding those reasons, a proper feedback has to be given to the employee in a manner that encourages the employee to adopt the safe behavior. And then one has to monitor and evaluate the entire effectiveness of the program and take the corrective actions for the next levels. That's it. And all the viewers, please go through this video and wait for the next level of programs that I am going to share very shortly. Thank you.